Today we'll discuss on interesting scenarios where we would like to delete an item from an array. Let's for example, we have an alphabets array which contains 3 values A, B, C, and we would like to delete this B item. So as you know, this array index starts from 0, 0, 1, 2. And using this delete keyword, we can delete any item. So delete alphabets 1. We pass this 1 and this B will be deleted. So if you try to print this alphabets.length, can you guess what would be the output? Definitely you would be think that it would be 2 because the B is gone. But unfortunately JavaScript behave a little bit different way. The length of this array would still be 3. And this B will be removed, but only the content will be removed. But it will occupy the space, as it is. So the memory won't be released. So to demonstrate that example, let's say we have ABC. Here we are printing this alphabets and the length, which is still 3. And if you try to delete it, so the length is still 3. If you see here, like it would be one empty item. The space is still occupied, it is not released. If you want to delete the cleanly and if you want to release this, the array length as well, you can use the splice operation, which is mutable, which will change the source object. So here we give this one index 0, 1, and how many element we want to delete. In our case 1, we want to delete 1. So the B will be gone. So the resultant array would be A and C. And the output of this, if you store anything, it will contain this what are the element we have deleted. And now length, if you see, it would be 2. So if you want to delete 2 items, so if you can do 1, 2. So B and C will be deleted. Only A will be contained and the length would be 1.